everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I got a package in the mail. I've been waiting for this guy. I was gonna make a different video going over MC connectors and all that good stuff, moving more towards the Electrical 101 series, building towards the wall, doing some more circuits on the wall, getting towards that. But today we got a package in the mail, so what better way to make a video than to just show you guys what I got. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and I will show you guys what is inside. Alright, so here is the package from our good friend Donnie Bragg, one of the guys in the Klein Tools Collectors group. He has a store. This is the address of the store, not his house. But anyways, he has a store and I think he's the manager or something like that. So I appreciate you, Donnie. Thanks for hooking me up with these pliers that I paid for. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this up real quick without showing you guys my address, of course. So inside we have all of the peanuts that he so carefully packed for me. And this is gonna make a huge mess. Anyways, here it is. It's not just any glow-in-the-dark linemen's. It is the brand new glow-in-the-dark with the American flag design. So if you guys aren't familiar, they have been bringing out the American flag pliers, or the American flag on all the new pliers, with the Journeyman's pliers, just the purple handles, the yellow handles with the crimper on it, just basically all the new pliers, the VDE pliers, and now the glow-in-the-dark lineman pliers. And I didn't really care about all the other ones, but these ones I really wanted to get because glow-in-the-dark is life. So anyways, I went ahead and grabbed a pair, and been having trouble trying to find them. And anyways, Donnie hooked me up, and I appreciate you, Donnie. Thank you for looking out for us in the Klein Tools Collectors group. Anyways, let me know what your guys' thoughts are on these babies. I think they're pretty sweet. Anyways, they'll make a nice addition to the wall. I think it's the same exact serial number. It's just the 2023 models are having the flags on them. So let me know your thoughts once again. But yeah, that's my new tool, and I'm really excited about it. So alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts on the glow-in-the-dark linemen's with the flag design on it, which is brand new. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.